Hey Roanoke, welcome back to another edition of Noke News, where we bring you some of the good things happening around the city of Roanoke. I'm your host, Carol Corbin, and today we're here in front of some future good news. This may look like a bit of a mess right now, but later this summer, we'll have a brand new ADA accessible ramp on the Church Avenue entrance to the Municipal Building. April brought us ribbon cuttings, renovations, celebrations, and a perfect surprise. Let's jump into it. We're starting off downtown on April 11th, where Roanoke City Public Schools cut the ribbon on their brand new William B. Robertson Administration Building. This new space now sits right across the street from the Municipal Building, in the building that formerly housed the Roanoke Times.
By centralizing our administrative offices in this new space, we are increasing efficiency, fostering innovation, and strengthening the services that directly impact our students. This building is not just a home for our administrative team. It is a hub of support for every school, every classroom, and every student in Roanoke City Public Schools.
RCPS administration moving into this centralized space is the second of 3 projects outlined in their 2030 plan. The first was the opening of Daytech in April of last year, and the final will be a community empowerment center anticipated to open later this year at Booker T. Washington. Calling all foodies, the very first VBR Regional Restaurant Week is coming up May 31st through June 8th, and it's set to serve up something for every appetite. This inaugural event will spotlight incredible dishes from across Virginia's Blue Ridge. Whether you're craving comfort food or bold new flavors, Restaurant Week is a fun opportunity to eat local, support small businesses, and savor something new. Restaurants can still sign up to participate in the event through May 9th. Wow, we've got something special for our feline friends and the humans who love them. The Regional Center for Animal Care and Protection just reopened its free roam cat room, thanks to a grant from Petco Love and the Rescue Rebuild team from Greater Good Charities.
Everything that you see on the walls, the colors, all of the things that we, the big things that we purchased, this was all part of that Rescue Rebuild, and they donated about $2,000 worth of material for that. So it enabled us to buy the things for the room and the paint and all that good stuff.
This updated space is colorful, cozy, and cat-tastic. Swing by, meet your future furry roommate, and feel the love. Spring has sprung, and Roanoke is celebrating the season in style. The Raleigh Court Branch Library kicked things off on April 5th with the Go Green Festival, an eco-friendly extravaganza filled with fun, learning, and community spirit.
Well, it's our second annual festival, and it's growing, and we're eco-friendly crafts and trying to encourage green living and green life here at Raleigh Court. Just like that local community that we're all banding together and successfully changing the environment for the world and for our community.
2 weeks later, and just down the road, the Grandin Earth Day celebration brought residents together for music, green living tips, and all that local charm you could ask for. Together, these events prove that Roanoke knows how to celebrate spring. April 21st through 25th marks National Community Development Week, and here in Roanoke, we're taking the time to highlight how federal funding is making a real difference.
These federally funded programs provide critical resources to address local needs and enhance the well-being of our community. The flexibility of the funds, combined with targeted initiatives tailored to local priorities, ensures that Roanoke is able to respond to its unique needs effectively.
Through community development block grants and emergency services grants, we're working to improve housing, provide homelessness assistance, and revitalize neighborhoods across the city. From bricks to breakthroughs, these investments are building a brighter future for Roanoke, one block at a time. And that's a wrap for this month's edition of Noke News. I'm Carol Corbin, and we'll see you next time.